Dhruv. So you have, so he started at the age of 5. He goes to the forest for performing a tavam penance, and uh, every month he had a new rule of, having a tavam. First month, since he was new to have a penance, he ate for 2 meals. He ate 2 meals in a day. The next month he ate only once. The next month he drank only water. The next month he ate only leaves that was available on the forest. The next month he was only breathing, that is, he stopped eating everything. And the last month, that is at the 5th month, he used to breathe only for 12 days once. He stops his breath for 12 days, and only once he'll leave, and again he used to say Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya unconditionally. So you have to call God unconditionally. May whatever happens, at least 2 to 3 times in a day. When you get up, say, take the name of the God, whomever you worship, whomever you worship, when you're having your food and when you're retiring for your day. So at least 3 to 5 times you have to call. If not, you will not be. If not, like Prahlada or Dhruva or like Meera. One more famous character from Ramayana is Shabari. कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं. Like she was this Mowgli and Tarzan, the characters were actually taken from this epic, Shabari, who used to stay in the forest. Nobody knows if her parents left her in the forest, or she was lost. Was her parents eaten up by the animal? Nobody knows. She was found by the animals as a baby, toddler, and she grew up with the animals. So she used to roar and chirp, like she used to understand the language of the birds and animals. She used to understand the flow of the air. So in such times, um, the forest, when there was a Gurukul. India is a place where we had universities under the tree, open universities. In the world when there was no schools actually going on, we had Gurukulas. So Shabari was one such child uh, who got um, who got acquainted, or I can say she liked Nama Sankirtanam, which was happening in the forest. Like the gurus just came there and they started having their bhajans, and she found that she